Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to export chat Telegram. So first, you have to open your Telegram on your desktop or PC. You can do this tutorial on your mobile phone. Now select the specific conversation that you want to export, and then what you're going to do here is to click this three dots at the top right corner. Once you tap this three dots, then you will see different options such as mute notifications, view profile, set wallpaper, export chat history, clear history, delete chat. So what you're going to do here is to click this export chat history. Now, once you tap this one, then there will be a notification or you will see this a box, and after that, you will see this chat export settings, and you can click here whatever you want to export. If you want to export photos, videos, voice messages, video messages, stickers, GIFs, files, and so on. Now, feel free to increase the size by tapping this circle right here, blue circle here, and you can increase this one. So you can change the limit, the size limit after that. You can now export and then you will see this box notification. So it says here, export your data and click this show my data and it will show you your chat history. However, you can tap your profile at top left corner and then I go to settings if you want to export your personal account. Now, the next thing you should do here is to go to export Telegram data. So once you tap this export Telegram data, then you will see this export your data, account information, contact list, story archive. So you can also click this personal chats and everything under chat export settings. That is if you want to export your account information, contact list, story archive, and other things here on your Telegram. So if you have any questions and if you have found this video helpful, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.